Hello everyone, I am posting this video showing my solution for an automatic shutting sliding screen door on a patio. Here we have a sliding door, and if you've got kids, if you've got pets, and you're afraid that this door is going to be left open, this is potentially a good solution. I've seen other videos where people use, weighted weights or, things filled with sand or water or something to help do an automatic door closer. And this actually, I think, is a lot cleaner and works better for me and isn't super expensive. So what I did is I went online and I bought this, which is a replacement pull starter for a lawnmower. This one was about $15. There are a whole bunch of them online, and I attached it to the house. We have cedar siding with 4 screws. And then in the top corner of the sliding screen door, I drilled a pilot hole and I put a 4-inch screw in there, and then I just pulled out the pull starter cord and wrapped it around the screw, as you can see. And in this way, as opposed to the ones where there's a weight or something filled with sand that's hanging down, that's potentially waving back and forth, or kids pull at it or something like this. This to me is a lot cleaner, and it works just as well. It gives a really good amount of tension. It always shuts. It doesn't slam super hard. I did this earlier in the spring in probably March, and it's November now, so I gave it a good 6 months to make sure that it would work. But this is a really nice solution, and it's worked really well for us all summer, so I thought that I would share.